got no regrets. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it.
Raise your hand if you're a t-shirt and jeans kind of girl. When I'm shopping for skinny jeans, I look for ones that fit me in all the right places, hug my curves, is affordable, and is also really comfortable to wear and doesn't lose shape. I am so excited. Thank you so much to American Eagle for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to share with you tips and tricks on how to style your t-shirt and jeans and to make it look new again, along with outfit ideas perfect for back to school or early fall. Be sure to open up the description box to shop this video. I will have all the outfit details and items linked down below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe by clicking on the little red button here or down below so you can join my YouTube squad. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Go! As a girl who's only 5'2", I've always struggled with finding the perfect pair of jeans. I love that American Eagle is inclusive in their sizing for tall and short people like me. So now I don't have to go and cuff my jeans because I buy a size 4 short and it just fits me like a glove. They are perfect. I've purchased these jeggings from American Eagle in 2012 and I still wear them today, and look at how well the color has maintained after all these years. I find that with lower rise jeans I don't look as curvy. For some reason I find that my legs are cut shorter than they could be, and high-waisted jeans are great because they sit above the natural waistline and it's really comfortable to wear. I never have to worry about my undergarments showing when I sit down. And these ones are the new high-rise next level stretch American Eagle jeans, and it has that super soft stretchy material to it, so you know it's going to hug all of your curves, fit you in all the right places. Sometimes I wonder, why do other bloggers or people on the internet look so good in their t-shirt and jeans? Well, I think the secret really is something to do with your undergarment. I feel that seamless undergarments are great at keeping my look cohesive and focusing on the pieces that I'm wearing rather than the focus on the undergarments.
So you go your own way and I go mine.
For the past few years, I've been really into wearing neutral colors. To change up your simple jeans and t-shirt kind of look, why not add in a pop of color? Challenge yourself to wear colors every single day this week. So for day one, I decided to wear this colored black sweater. I don't find myself gravitating towards colors like olive green or black. I just find that these colors are a bit harsh on my skin tone, but I thought, why not change it up for you guys, give it a try, see what I think. And honestly, I feel like I definitely upgraded my t-shirt and jeans look just by changing up the color. So this is another really cool and easy hack that you can try whenever you're feeling bored with this look. Hack to dress up your basic jeans and t-shirt look is by adding in a knot. So if you're wearing an oversized t-shirt like I am, you can add a knot to the front of your shirt, to the back of your shirt, or even on the inside on this side. I find that knotting my shirts makes high-waisted jeans look a lot more flattering, well-fitting, and is just generally more cute. Moving on to the next tip, I'm going to add a knot to the back of the shirt. So simply just grab the fabric in the front, bring it to the back like this, and then just tie it into a knot. I've actually already shown you guys this clothing hack and you guys seem to really love it, so I'm going to show you again right here. Take your loose shirt, I'm going to take the rubber band, gather some fabric from the inside of the shirt, bring it to the outside, quickly add a short little knot like that, flip it back over, and you have this cute little ruched detail to your t-shirt. plain t-shirt and jeans with a pair of really fun and funky boots. Ooh, got my new boots on, feeling like a new woman. And ta-da! To top off this edgy fall outfit, I'm going to wear a burgundy scarf and a nice little knit beanie. White lint on black jeans is definitely my pet peeve, which is why I always have with me a lint roller. This is everybody's best friend, to be honest. It's so affordable, it's so cheap, and it makes your clothes look so much more clean and... Ooh. My next tip to dress up your t-shirt and jeans is by adding on cute accessories. So I picked up these really adorable scrunchies from American Eagle, and I also have this cute mustard beret. In my opinion, berets are the cutest accessory of the season, perfect for fall and winter. Is constantly innovating their jeans, and they recently came out with their 360 next level stretch jeggings. Girl, check out the distressing on these jeans on the front as well as the hem. It is so beautifully made. If you have a very strict dress code, this will definitely pass because it doesn't show any of your skin. It's not revealing, but it still has that cool stylized effect of the distressing. And final tip, if you are bored of the same old pair of jeans and t-shirt kind of look, why not change it up by trying a new denim silhouette? So I'm obsessed with this denim jacket from American Eagle. I love pairing it with this vintage yellow styled bustier dress from American Eagle. I love the floral detailing along with the buttons down the middle. I think it's super cute and a fun little way to change up your typical jeans and t-shirt kind of outfit. Honestly, I've been a huge fan for such a long time, and I love the body positive message that American Eagle shares. And I love that they encourage women of all shapes, sizes, and color to just embrace their freedom and individuality. Which outfit idea was your favorite, or which clothing hack you enjoyed the most? As always, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Fashion by Ali. I love sharing my styling tips and everyday outfit ideas over there. Love you guys all so much, and I will see you next time. Bye! Hug!
Got no regrets.